Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to see the different file processing options available within Salesforce. Especially we are going to explore file parsing utilizing prompt builder. There are other options also available, which is utilizing document AI, which got introduced probably 2 months back, and the traditional intelligent document reader, which probably existing for the last 4 or 5 years. Document AI, let us explore in another video. So today we are going to see how we can parse files uploaded into Salesforce records utilizing prompt builder. Here is a comparison of different options, and I have also got a blog post which explains the same. I will post the link to that particular blog post in this video comments. And to explore the file processing utilizing prompt builder, let us see one specific scenario. The scenario is that whenever a user is having some issue related to the one of the product that he has or she has purchased, they will be sending an email to Salesforce, and utilizing email to case feature that will be getting created as a case within Salesforce. And along with the description product details, the user is going to send details to additional documents like product invoice and warranty card, and from these two documents we need to parse and extract details like customer name, product description, serial number, date of purchase, warranty related details from those two documents, and that will be retrieved in a JSON format. Then we need to utilize this information and check the records of that particular user within the Salesforce and verify that the particular user is eligible for getting warranty for that particular product. For that, within Salesforce, we have got two records for the user. One is the asset record. So this is the asset record for this particular user. We have got a person account called Priyamenon, and for that particular user, the product purchase serial number is available along with the installation date, and also quantity and other details are available as part of this particular asset record. In addition to that, there is an entitlement associated with that particular asset record, that is what kind of warranty this particular user is entitled to. So this contains if it is active currently or not, and also it contains details like the start date of the warranty and the end date of the warranty. Based on this, the warranty ends on 2027 24 of October, and also the asset record is associated with this particular record. Now, what are the key details that is required for for implementing this particular use case? For that, we need to set up email to case so that the system will be able to accept details of that particular email, parse it, and create details within Salesforce as a case. Let us go to setup and see the email to case setup here. Yeah, so you can see the email to case is already set up here. And next what we need is a prompt builder which is going to process this particular record. So we have the prompt builder already created. This is of type flex, and what it contains, it is going to keep the default model available within when the prompt builder got or template got created, and also then it contains a prompt to process that particular record associated with the case record. So this is having an input record which is case object, and then it is going to fetch details from the related list of case, which is going basically, if we need to get the related list, we can go to the insert results option, and here when we open a specific case record, you will be able to see all the details associated with that particular record. In addition to that, you will be able to see the attachments. So from there, you need to fetch the record, fetch the attachments, and then specify what kind of details needs to be retrieved from that particular record. So here I have mentioned from purchase invoice, we need to fetch these details, and from the warranty card, we need to fetch the warranty start date and end date. Also, I have provided a sample JSON format also. Once we have all these details available as part of prompt builder, let us do a preview of this. And if we need to do a preview, we need to pass the input. So let me pass a case record which is already created within the system. So like this, you will be able to see I have one case record already which is 0026, which is having all the details, that is contact name, and also we have got all the attachments. Let us go to related list, and under attachments you will be able to see that we have got both invoice and warranty card got uploaded. And let me show you what this documents contain. So this is the purchase invoice. Like we have seen, we have the buyer details, and in addition to that, the description of the product, invoice number, the serial number, all this information is available as part of the purchase invoice PDF file. And then we have got a warranty PDF file which contain again the customer name, the product model, serial number, and along with that we have the warranty period, which is 2 years from 2025 to 2027. So these two files we need to process or parse as part of the prompt builder. Now I have already chosen that particular record, and let us click on the preview now. The prompt builder will be parsing both the records, and it is going to give us the details. So here you will be able to see that it is giving us all the required details. So this is how the prompt builder is going to work. Now what we have is, we should create a flow which is going to call this prompt builder and parse the records. So I have got a record trigger flow available as part of the case record. The actions, I have kept it as very simple, like whenever a case is getting created or updated, and when specific criteria is met, it is going to get executed. So the criteria is simple: if the case origin equal to email, that is the only criteria. And then what it is going to do is, so basically what this is going to do is, whenever they are getting an email with all the details, right, if the record is already under warranty, then within the case there is a field called product status, which is going to get updated as in warranty if it has got a active warranty record exists. If it is not, it is going to get updated as out of warranty. And if they are not able to find out a corresponding asset record within the system, then the case status should be updated as product not found. That is what we need to do as part of this implementation. And when we go back to the prompt builder, we have already seen that the record got created here. Sorry, the record got parsed, and we have all the details available. And go back to the flow. Once the condition is getting satisfied, it is calling an action called retrieve warranty details, which is nothing but it is calling the specific prompt builder along with passing the triggering case as the parameter. And the response from that particular prompt builder is the JSON structure, which is getting stored into a text variable called response. Once we have these details, now we need to parse the JSON data and need to do all the comparison against the specific records, like the asset record and warranty records in Salesforce. For that, we have got another method called evaluate warranty, which is nothing but an Apex action, which is going to call the already created Apex class for parsing the JSON record. This Apex class is completely created by GitHub Copilot. So I basically passed a simple script to the Copilot asking to develop an Apex class for accepting case ID and the JSON structure as a parameter, and then do the comparison against the data and give us and update the product status within case record based on the specific criteria. And I had to do only very minute changes to this particular generated class to make sure that it is working as expected. And the other I guess the only difference was that it was not considering person account. For me, the records or the user was getting handled as a person account, so I just asked it to make those kind of changes to the code, and there was a minor tweak to the query, which is to fetch the asset record. Only with those two changes, this code was completely working and was following all the best practices also, which is really good, and it saved a lot of time, which we used to do in the past for developing any code. I did the same with the Agentforce vibe also, but I found the code was better, like the format and the structure was better. It was more readable, which got created by the GitHub Copilot. So I accepted the code generated by the Copilot only. Now, when we go back to the code details, it is nothing but it is basically going to accept two parameters, which are case ID, product details, and it is going to parse those details, get the details of asset and warranty. Then it is going to warranty basically entitlement, and also based on that it is going to update the status of that particular case. Now let us go back and see an execution. For that, let me use the same case which is already existing, and for testing purpose, like you have seen, the flow criteria is that if the case origin is email, it is going to get executed. For that, let us revert the criteria. Basically, let me make the product status as none, and let me move the case origin to phone and save this record. You can see the product status is empty. Now if the flow is getting executed, if the flow needs to get executed, we need to make the case origin as email. Let us save this record and see if the product status is getting updated. And like you are seeing, when the flow is getting executed, just taking a little bit time, and here now you can see the product status got updated as in warranty. So this is how you will be able to easily utilize Prompt Builder to parse the file and do some business logic within Salesforce. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.